Okay, well, if you're still here, happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving morning. And I wanted to make that video because I had a few questions on the video where I removed the box from the outside of the barn. A few people were wondering, did I throw the plywood away? And I didn't. I like to reuse plywood. As long as it's a decent enough size, I will reuse it. In this case, this is actually the back of the box, so I just basically moved it in about 12 inches. Same piece of plywood that was outside the barn for about 10 years. I originally built that box because my other miter saw, the Hitachi, had the rails that went beyond the saw, which meant the miter station had to push into the barn another 10 or 12 inches. So I just cut a hole in the barn, built a box around it, put a slanted piece of plywood that acted like a roof, and that was good for all those years. I then replaced the Hitachi with the Bosch, if you remember that. That saw wasn't so great. It was good for a little while, but then it slowly got kind of sloppy. Then I replaced it with this Capex, which this saw is a great saw. And when I did the repairs to the outside of the barn, I finally got rid of the box, put up a little insulation, some new siding, and I was left with a few scrap pieces of plywood. You may have noticed that I used a file to cut the nails. I often like to do that because pulling 18 gauge brad nails out of Baltic birch plywood sometimes is more work than just filing them cut or filing them clean. And so I'll do that from time to time. I did post a video on Facebook and it blew up. A lot of people thought that was a dumb idea, which is a good thing because that means you get a lot of views, and the more views with Facebook, the more money you get. So that's always good to cause a little controversy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I like these kind of fun, or not fun, kind of relaxing videos where something gets done. And you're using or reusing material and you're not really spending any money. You just kind of come out here, spend a little shop time or time in the shop, and something is done. I just find that satisfying. So I hope you do as well. Hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.